Tonight we're trying out a recipe from I Love Cooking Ireland. It's a no knead sourdough recipe with semolina and olive oil. It only takes a few minutes to put together. However, it does need to proof for 24 hours in the refrigerator. We're also we're incorporating a table into the set so we can make the pizzas right here and more quickly launch them into the oven.
I think we need a little bit more flour on our dough before I start it.
Since this is a new dough for us to work with, I set the oven to high for 20 minutes and I just turned it down below the Ooni low. And we're going to work with this level of heat and see how it turns out. Center of stone though is over 739 degrees, so
So this dough is really nice to work with. It doesn't bounce back. It's really just so soft. I really like it.
so definitely one thing we want to understand is how easy it works with, and you're already seeing that it's pretty easy to work with.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other thing is, how does it cook?
Yeah.
And if I'm allowed to say it,
What?
I think this has a little bit more sourdough starter than our normal sourdough recipe.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
It has almost 40% starter.
And if I'm not mistaken, it has more oil.
Yeah, than our usual recipe.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Ready?
You go for it.
Launch.
Launch.
Ready to launch. Oh!
Oh.
I calzoned it.
Okay. All right. Well, that's why we do these tests. That's all right.
Should we take it out? I'll go
No.
get. Oh, I could do the
We're
other.
going to cook it.
Okay. I don't know why I did that. I haven't done something like that in a long
That's
time.
okay. We show the good, the bad.
I'm an expert launcher. I can't believe this happened.
Not too bad. A little oblong.
Little oblong.
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny. Did you happen to bring the knife out?
No, I didn't bring that out.
Oh.
But we'll let it set for a minute or two before we cut it. I don't know, we can cut it on the cutting board. Oh, I didn't bring the pizza round out either.
Yeah. Maybe I'll run in and
yeah.
get that while you're focusing
Yeah, because
on
it's going
that.
to be pretty quick. Can I say I watched Jacobelli this afternoon?
Yeah.
And he really knows how to turn a pizza. I'm envious. So for the first one, we're just making a basic cheese pizza with this dough. And the bottom crust is coming along nicely. Here, we
Great.
can move the peel over here. So you're going to have to kind of give me
Did you
some...
brought the knife out?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, we're not burning the bottom. From what I can see, this is cooking real nice too. What do you think, sweetheart? Should
Great.
I?
I don't
You
know,
want-
Bill. Did you happen to remember that this had?
What do you think?
Oh wow, looks lovely.
Do you think we're you think we're there, or you want
Yeah.
a little more?
I think that's good.
Okay, we're gonna go with this.
Yeah.
All right, let's let it.
Let's let it rest for
Yeah.
a few minutes. Oh, it's
So-
got just a little dimple in it.
Yeah, and then I guess I got a little bit too hot right there, but
Should we give it a check?
you can give it a check. I didn't bring any napkins or plates, but we can go for it.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh,
I
that's
think I'm gonna bring
nice.
the oven back up so that the
Okay.
stone is the hottest. Here, I can put that up right here on this napkin. Boy, that looks good.
Should we give it a taste?
Well, I'm worried about pizza mouth, but sure, if you want to. Because that's cheese. Okay, so
It's nice and thin.
nice and thin. So you were able to press it out, right?
Yeah, very easily.
Nice
Wow,
rise.
Nice rise.
I don't
in the
know
crust.
where we can get that, but.
Good.
I like it, and the crust is not burnt. Very good. Yeah, and a nice rise in here, huh? You know,
It's so
for
good.
thin, which I like thin pizza, but
We are as prepared as our usual. We usually have plates and napkins and
yeah, this is really just an opportunity to kind of try out a few new things tonight.
actually, of all the recipes I've tried so far, this has been the easiest.
Oh, look at that.
So easy to
Yeah.
prepare and to roll out. I would.
So again, this is a recipe from I Love Cooking Ireland. Good job.
Now, one thing that I forgot to mention, this is actually a hybrid dough.
A hybrid. And
So
can you,
it's got a little touch, just about a gram of yeast in the recipe.
so what do you think?
Delicious.
We'll kind of
Perfect.
stop it here and kind of just do a recap and just close.
Right.
All right, why don't you go first?
I say this is one of the best recipes, the easiest recipe. It just takes a little bit of time to put it together. You can put it together just before you're going to bed or and it's ready in 24 hours. I didn't give it a full 24 hours, but at least 18. And then I put it into balls and put it in the refrigerator.
And I love the taste. The taste is fantastic. I also like how you were able to press it out thin, which is what I like. The bottom didn't burn, and again, we had the flame up on high for 20 minutes. And about 3 minutes before the pizza went in, we turned it down below the uni loaf. And it was just great. So this is kind of exciting. All right, well, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I Love Cooking Ireland.
Yeah.
Pat
I
Ryan is the name of the chef.
Okay.
Very nice.
Bravo, I Love Cooking Ireland. Thank you for making this recipe known. And till next time.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.